guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to get more fonts in Scratch. So basically, Scratch has very less amount of fonts and we need more fonts. You see, we have sans serif, that's the basic font. Then we have serif. Okay, that's a good one. Then we have this font called handwriting. Well, it's also good, but it's very basic. And then if we talk about marker, it's a mess. It's a mess. Then moving on to curly, it's okay, but not very good, not very advanced. It's okay for mystery sort of games or apps. Then we have this pixel font. Okay, that's also not very good. It's just pixelated form of text, nothing big. Then we have these three Chinese fonts. So now, as we all know, Scratch's fonts are not up to the mark. We need more fonts. So now, to get more fonts, go to your Scratch search, then type in there extra fonts. Yeah, extra fonts, because we need more fonts. Now you will get this project by I would have spelled it out here, but it is very complicated, so you can check it out yourself. The link is in the description. So now let me click on it. You must also do the same. Once the project loads, what you need to do is you can just first have an overview. Let's click on it, and whenever you click you can see all these sort of fonts, all the fonts. So now let's click on see inside, and now you can see there are so many fonts in the costumes section. Before we go to the costume section to review these fonts, let me tell you that there is a warning included. So you must read this warning before you actually use the project. I hope you understand. But because you are watching this video, I'm gonna read it out for you. So this is the warning. Although the included fonts are so-called web-safe fonts that are installed on most systems, it is still possible that problems occur. If in doubt, either use the regular Scratch fonts or use text converted to vector graphics. Well, now what does it mean by text converted to vector graphics? Well, for that you need to watch the video in the description. The link of that video is in the description. Go watch it. Now let's go to costumes. Now you can find all these fonts. Okay, so let's come here first. And now, for example, this is impact, so this is really cool. Let's say XMate-Tech here. So you can see we get this, and now you can just copy paste, backpack it and then copy paste it in your project. Or you can just directly import this in your project, and then for example I have to go here, then I can just copy this and I get it, and here I can hide this, so in the stage only my text is there. Another thing, for example, let me copy this here. Now if I type subscribe, so you can see it works. Thanks for watching. If you want to know how to convert text to vector graphics and use it in Scratch, watch the video on the left. If you want to watch any random video, watch the video on the right. I will see you there.